In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Claude account in just a few minutes. Whether you're tidying up your digital footprint or no longer need the service, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, begin on the main Claude interface. To access your account settings, you'll need to locate your profile information. Look towards the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your workspace name, in this case, Tutorial. Click on your workspace name to open up the account management menu. This is the primary gateway to all your personal settings and administrative options, so it's the crucial first step in the process. Now that the account menu has appeared, you'll see a list of several options. This menu includes things like language preferences, a link to get help, and options for upgrading your plan. For our purpose today, you need to find and select the Settings option, which is usually accompanied by a gear icon. Clicking this will open a more detailed settings modal where you can manage your profile, privacy, billing, and other core account functions. Go ahead and click on Settings to proceed. The next step brings you to the main profile settings window. This screen is divided into two main panels. On the left, you'll find a navigation menu with categories like General, Account, Privacy, and Billing. The main panel on the right displays the details for the currently selected category. By default, it opens to the General tab, showing your avatar, full name, and custom instructions for Claude. To find the account deletion option, you will need to navigate away from this general profile view. Look at the left side navigation menu again and find the Account tab. Click on Account to view your security and data management settings. After clicking on Account, the main panel on the right will update to show you account-specific options. Here, you'll find important but less frequently used settings. This includes the ability to log out of all devices, your organization ID, and information about trusted devices. Scan this page carefully until you find the option labeled Delete Your Account. It is usually highlighted as a clickable link. This is the action that will initiate the deletion process. Be absolutely certain you want to proceed, as this action is irreversible. Once you are ready, click on the Delete Your Account link. Finally, to prevent accidental deletion, Claude requires one last confirmation. After you click the link, a new button labeled Delete Account will appear next to it, often highlighted in a way that draws your attention. This is your final opportunity to change your mind. Deleting your account will permanently erase all your chat history, projects, and personal information associated with it. If you are fully committed to deleting your account and all its data, click the Delete Account button to finalize the process. This is the last step to complete the request. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Claude account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.